Are you wanting to use Instagram Reels in your coaching business, but you feel overwhelmed, you don't know where to start, or you're in analysis paralysis? Do not worry, I was there about 2 months ago. My social media manager was constantly telling me, Reese, we need to start doing Reels, and I didn't even know where to start. And now we are actually posting Reels consistently. We've had a few Reels go viral, and we're actually having so much fun doing it. And so I wanted to share with you a little bit about what we're doing behind the scenes to create and put out our Instagram Reels. So by the end of this video, you're gonna get some insight into how we create our Instagram Reels. So if you're a mindset coach, an entrepreneur, a business owner, or a content creator, you're gonna love what we talk about here. So a big reason why we had a push to creating more Instagram Reels was because our team was starting to notice that the Instagram algorithm was changing and it was really pushing the Reels content more than our posts. And we put a lot of effort into our content. We have people messaging us every single day saying that our content is helping them so much. And so of course, we want to get into the hands of more people. And so that's why we thought it was so important to start doing Instagram Reels. So one of the first things that I did was I started to think about, well, what is the information that I want to put out there that helps people? And I started to think about the questions that were commonly getting asked, my mission, the content that I know will help people, which is the mindset tools that we teach in the Yes Supply method, and also some of the Reels that I was starting to see that I would want to watch or save. And I thought that if I'm liking watching these from other people, I would probably love creating them too. So we started to look at which Reels were out there that were going viral. And it's so funny because it turns out that the Reels that are actually going viral are not the ones that we thought were going viral. So last month, you probably saw the Instagram trend where people are doing the affirmations, I am healthy, I am wealthy. And so we thought, because I'm somebody who loves hip hop, we thought it'd be so fun to actually film a kind of like a rap video to that song. And it didn't really go as viral as we thought it would. And I'll make sure that we put this here so you can see it when you go to our feed. And then one of the things that really is important to me is manifestation, because manifestation has helped me create the life of my dreams. And so we created a reel where I share my 5-step formula in the Yes Supply method to successfully manifesting. And that's actually one of our most viral videos. Another video that went viral as well is really important to me because tapping, EFT tapping, is something that has completely changed my life. It's something that we teach in the Yes Supply method and has changed the life for hundreds of our clients. And that was another reel that went viral as well. So you might be wondering, how do I go about filming Reels when I have so much on the go? I'm a mom, I'm running my business. How do I actually find the time? So what I do is, like I said before, we're looking at questions that commonly get asked. Also, if I'm on Instagram and there's one that really stands out to me, I'll definitely save it as an idea. And I'm thinking about, what do I actually want to share with the world? So we will put all of our ideas in a spreadsheet. Our team also, if they're on Instagram, will add all of their ideas into the spreadsheet. I'll sit down and spend some time planning and creating and coming up with ideas. And then I'll typically actually shoot quite a few reels at the same time. I found that if I was just filming one reel at a time, it would be a lot of effort to set up the camera or set up my phone and everything like that for obviously not a lot of output. So you might notice that when you're going through our Instagram, a lot of the time I'm wearing the exact same shirt because we're filming a bunch of reels at the same time. And I feel like that's totally fine because I'm not a fashion blogger. So people aren't following me because of the outfit that I'm wearing. They're following me because of what it is that I'm teaching. So if you're trying to change your clothes for every single reel, I personally don't necessarily think that you need to do that unless you really, really want to. So what we'll do is we'll sit down, we'll film a bunch of reels at once, and then just edit them and schedule them out one day at a time. And it makes it so easy because in one sitting, you could film 5, 10, or maybe even more reels. So one of the things that we notice as well, and which is why it's so good that we film multiple reels all in one day or all at one time, is because we really noticed that since we started posting them consistently, we're actually being able to grow more and have the reels reach more people. So I feel like consistency really, really helps. And one thing that's so important to know too is not to look too much at what everyone else is doing, but to ask yourself, how will reels work for me personally and the person who it is that I want to help? So when I'm creating reels, I'm really thinking about the person who I want to help, my dream client for Yes Supply, or even the problems or situations that I've gone through a few years ago, so that I'm teaching the knowledge that I wish I would have known, or I'm teaching the knowledge that I know that the people who want help from me really want to see. So I hope that these tips help you as you're creating your Instagram reels. If you like this video, leave me a comment below and ask me if you have any other questions on growing an Instagram or creating content or anything like that. Also, please like this video and subscribe for more. And if you want more business videos from me, definitely head over here and watch our playlist. And if you want to see the newest video that just came out, then just click over here. Thanks so much for watching.